Hi! Hola plebes! How are you guys? So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anahi Quintero, and if you're not new, welcome back. Hola. So today's topic is my pelo, my hair. So I constantly get asked on a daily basis, literally not only on social media but when I go out and do any type of errands, how I maintain my hair and how is it this long and how does it look like you literally have extensions or a wig on. Literally, you guys, I have people, I don't care, people can touch my hair, I don't mind it, but usually people do ask me before they touch it. Sometimes they don't, but yeah, for the most part, people are always like, oh my god, like, is this really your hair? Are you sure you're not wearing a wig? And that's when I'm like, girl, tug it a little bit, just a little bit, tug, it's fine. I'm not wearing extensions and I don't have a wig on. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the things that I use, so product wise, on how I maintain my hair. So I may be popping up a few clips like right here on how I actually like shower and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna pop up a little clip. But anyway, so we're going to start off with the type of shampoos that I use, and I'm going to tell you these are my top favorite. I am going to read off a few of the things that caught my attention when I first got them, so you guys can kind of get an idea of why I decided to start using these shampoos. I used to use Head and Shoulders just because I have a really dry scalp, but we'll get into that in a little bit because that is so annoying. But here are the shampoo and conditioner that I use, and that is these babies right here. Oh my god, the lighting is so bright. But here's the shampoo. Ooh la la. It's the Love and Planet shampoos. And these are the turmeric and tonka essence. So both of them are the same, the turmeric and tonka essence. This is the shampoo and it's sulfate free, which I really like. So this is what caught my attention. So I'm that girl that reads the back of these. So I was at Target one day and I was just like looking for a new shampoo because, like I said, I used to use Head and Shoulders a lot. And I just wanted something a little bit more on the natural side. And honestly, I was tired of my hair smelling like mint. So I was looking for something fancy and cute, and I did find this. So these are the things that they do have, and I'm gonna also read off, you know, what they don't have. So for this, it does have organic coconut oil, which really caught my attention because I have a dry scalp, and your girl needs all the moisture she can get. It also has natural turmeric, of course, and then the tonka essence, which is what is this flavor? I don't know what to call it, like the scent, I guess. It's safe for colored hair. It's vegan. It comes with plant-based cleanser. It's not tested on animals, and this is what really caught my attention when I got this. So it does not have any sulfate cleansers, it doesn't have any silicone, no parabens, no dyes, and of course you're going to be guilty free while using this. So I absolutely loved this shampoo, and I've been using it for about 6 to 7 months now, and I have noticed a big difference in my hair. So for anybody who has really thick hair like I do, or for anybody who has really straight hair, I really recommend that you guys use this. I think, I'm not sure, don't mark my words on it, but I think they do have a specific shampoos for curly hair as well. And they just launched some skincare stuff, and I really want to try their skincare stuff. But yeah, so that's the shampoo that I use, and then the conditioner, same thing. It is the Love and Planet, or this one's Beauty and Planet. I don't know why they call it different. Love, Beauty and Planet, Beauty and Planet. I usually just do love Beauty and Planet, but whatever. Same thing. It has the same stuff in it. No dyes, no silicone, none of that. But I absolutely love this stuff. But yeah, it's just amazing. I usually, when I do use this, I use a lot of shampoo, you guys. Lots of shampoo. So now let's get into how many times I shampoo or just wash my hair in general throughout the week. If I'm having a week where I am sweating and I am literally like, my pelo smells and it's just nasty and it feels uncomfortable, then I will literally shampoo my hair every single day that week. And condition every other day. The reason I condition every other day is because your girl has really straight hair, like really straight hair. The way that you see this, that's how I got out of the shower. My hair is just straight. All I gotta do is just part it in the middle, go like that, done. And if I do too much conditioning, like shampoo and conditioner every single day, one, it's gonna damage my hair. I've tried it before. My hair gets really like, just, it gets so pretty much like straight that it starts to fall out a lot more, which is not okay. And yeah, it's just not okay. So if I'm having one of those weeks, it's shampoo every single day, condition every other day. Let's say I'm not having a very productive week. I'm not working out because soy una huevona when it comes to like lifting and running. So I will literally wash my hair every other day. And that includes shampoo and conditioner every other day. Now, those are my 2 different weeks. Just depends on how I'm feeling, what's going on. Well, you just never know, okay? It just kind of fluctuates. Now, when it comes to hair masks, you guys, I do use one hair mask right now, and I have been obsessed with it. It is my current favorite, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Garnier It's the Garnier Fructis. I don't even know how to say that. Oh my god. I don't even know how to say it, but it's the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute hair mask. So this baby right here, I love it, not only because me gustan los aguacates, but like I love avocado, and avocado is so good for your hair, but it smells amazing. So I try to use this once to twice a week. I absolutely think this has helped my hair, one, just grow a little bit more and have more moisture, because like I said, I have been struggling with my scalp being super dry, my hair being super dry. So for the last 2 months, I've been taking this serious. So this is also a vegan formula. Doesn't have any silicones, does not have any parabens, so that's definitely something that I look forward to. This does have avocado extract. You can find a different one. I think it's the papaya one as well. I haven't tried that, but my aunt actually tried it and said that it was really good and she loved it. You literally keep it on for a whole minute in the shower, so I'll literally pop it on and just wait and then wash it off. I absolutely love this. I recommend this to you guys. If you guys are looking for a new hair mask, this the one. Okay, honey, this the one. Okay, so now moving on to what I use after I take a shower. So I usually, one, comb my hair out while spraying this in my hair. So I'll spray it and then comb it out usually. So it is the Mario Badescu. This baby right here, rose water. This does say facial spray on it, you guys, but I have been using it on my hair. I know that sounds weird, but I have been using it on my hair, and it's been helping with moisturizing my scalp and my hair, mostly up top. I don't really use it on the bottom. I just use it in this area here because it just helps. Any rose water honestly will help with any type of dry scalp or, you know, dry hair situation. You just got to put it on here and you have to use it while your hair is wet. So I've been, like I said, lazy to go and buy some rose water. I was actually gonna do it yesterday, but this whole coronavirus, it ain't it, honey, it ain't it. So I'm gonna be using this. But yeah, so I use this on my face and I also use it on my hair. So I definitely recommend getting yourself rose water. Or vitaminas, what vitamins I take. I take the hair, skin, and nail gummies from Nature's Bounty. So I actually got this because there was a sale at Walgreens where you buy one get one free, and I actually got some sleeping gummies because, well, I can't sleep at night. Fun fact. But I actually got these. I haven't took them today actually, so I gotta take those real quick. Give me a second. They taste really good. Like, they taste like fresas, so like strawberry, and it just tastes really, really good. But it also has biotin, so it's really good for your skin. But yeah, this has been helping a girl out with the nail situation as well, with my uñas, with my skin. My skin has been struggling. Okay, it has been struggling because I haven't been taking care of it. So this has really done a really good job with that. But not only that, but I've also noticed that my hair has been growing since I've been using this, and my hair is a lot more shinier. I could tell it's a lot more healthier. But yeah, so my hair was like maybe to the beginning of my butt around there, and my hair grows really, it grows pretty fast. Yeah, so it grew about this much, which I know isn't a lot, but that's a good amount of pelo for using this. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking for any type of, you know, vitaminas. These are good if you're not trying to spend a lot of coin. Yeah, those are all of the products that I use for my hair. I hope that this helped a little bit so you guys could have an understanding of what are the things that I use, how I maintain it, why it looks the way it looks. But yeah, I hope it answered all the questions, and I hope that you guys decide to incorporate a few of these things into your hair routine, and if you do, well, let me know how it goes. But other than that, I think we're done here. Ya se acabó el video. Ya pueden hacer lo que se... Go watch some more YouTube. Go do whatever the heck you want to do. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And also, if you want to see more of my cara or whatever, you know, my carita, chiquita, feita, you guys could go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that from the bottom of my corazoncito. But I will see you guys in the next video. Adios. Bye.